Good morning. Today I'm going to show you guys a full day of eating, starting with meal one. This is an egg-based meal. I basically baked it in the oven with kale and egg whites, eggs, seasoning, and then I put some rice, a little bit of salsa, and nutritional yeast. Yum. Good morning, honey.
Morning, Rick.
Dave is not as excited about the morning today because he didn't get as much sleep with lovely daylight savings time, but we're doing what we can. I'm feeling glowing today with my new self-tanner that I'm going to tell you guys about and show you guys everything that I eat today. So, get ready. It's a lot of food. Just kidding. Alright, it's meal number 2 time. Got my 6-pack bag that I've got my meals in. This one I love so much for work because it's so cute and I fit everything I need. I usually only have 2 meals for work and it is about noon. I have some broccoli with that is coconut oil. It's melted a little bit. And that is 4 ounces of chicken with some mustard. Yummy. Here's meal 3. It doesn't look appetizing, I know. But it is ground turkey with some fermented red cabbage and beets. It's actually going to taste awesome together. There we go. So here.
Quarter turn to the right. Oh, that's beautiful. Good job, hon. Go. Quarter. All right, now bring your right hand forward a little bit. Okay, that's it. Turn your chest toward me a little bit more. Straighten out your legs completely. That a girl. Give me a little bit more turn. Bring your left arm a little bit closer to your body. That a girl. Lift up your chest, please. Now turn toward me aggressively. Good. Now straighten out the left arm and I'll take a picture. That a girl. Straighten the arm. Straighten the arm. Still too bent. Dave. Where's Dave?
He left the room.
All right. Straighten out your left arm, sweetheart. That a girl. That a girl. Now turn toward me. Good. Now bring that right arm forward a little bit. I'm going to take a picture. Good. Excellent job. Relax. All right. Let me send you this picture.
He wanted you to help, but you were
Oh.
It's okay.
My legs are like shot.
Front. All right. Just go into side position. I don't care. Okay. Quarter turn. Fabulous. Okay, good. Up, wait a minute. Straighten out the right. Straighten out the right. Straighten it, hon. Straighten it. That's a girl. Bring the left part a little bit forward. And then a little bit more because you're hiding your glute. Don't be afraid. Yeah, look how much your right is bending. Let me send this to you. It's close. I need a little bit straighter.
Okay.
Okay, you see where I'm going with that?
Yep.
Alright, let's do it. Quarter. Now bring your arm a little bit closer, your right arm, that girl. Straighten it, straighten it. Turn the right thumb toward me. The right thumb toward me. Straighten out your arm. More, straighten it more. Good. That's what I want. Good job. Alright, relax.
Meal 5, my post-workout. Sometimes I do cream of rice with protein. Today I am doing regular rice with some spinach, salsa, a whole egg, and ground turkey. And this little guy is a GDA, a glucose disposal agent, which can help accelerate the digestion of carbohydrates, especially because it's my post-workout meal. It'll help deliver it to the muscles more quickly. I try and eat my post-workout meal within an hour of my workout because I do drink carbs during my workout, which is technically a meal in itself. Last meal of the day, salmon, yum, with some lemon dill seasoning, Brussels sprouts, and some kale chips, mushrooms, and homemade pickles. All the greens.